Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the newest feature in CapCut, which is draw. So I'm going to show you how to add drawing in CapCut. Here I've already added a video to my CapCut, and if you want to find where is the drawing feature in CapCut, you need to go to text, and then here you can't find it, you can just swipe it, and then here is the draw option or feature. You can just click on that. So here there are two options to add a drawing. There is a basic and also texture. So for the basic, it's just like a line or a dash line like this, or there is also a glowing pen like this. So if you want to draw in the basic, you can just choose the type of the brush. For example, this one's right here, and then you can also adjust the size and the hardness and also the opacity, and you can also change the color. For example, I want to draw sun, you can just go to this. Oops. You can also erase, if you want to erase, just click on that and okay, go like that. I'm going to make it the size to smaller and the opacity bigger. Okay, for example, like that. Oops. Okay, the sun. Example like this. You can do this drawing, or you can also go to the texture to add like a drawing with texture. So there are a bunch of like brush with texture like this. There are love, and there is like a flower like this, or there is also like a sparkle line like this. So you can just choose whichever brush or texture that you want and put it in your video like this. Okay guys, so that's the newest feature, drawing feature in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on like. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.